Good morning students, welcome back. Today in this video we are going to learn about the left portion. The topic was pronouns and we were discussing the different types of pronouns. So the different types of pronouns which were left, we are going to discuss that today. So the left portion was the indefinite pronouns. Now what is indefinite pronouns? Indefinite simply tells us that we are not specific. We don't know the identity. We are not knowing who that person is or a thing is. Now when we don't know about the person or a thing, when we are not knowing the identity of a person or a thing, that time we use such terms that will convey that we are not aware, we are not knowing the identity. So what are these terms? We'll see today. Now the definition of indefinite pronoun. They are used when we don't know the identity of a person or a thing. Like I said, we are indefinite. Definite means when we know the identity. Indefinite means when we don't know the identity. Okay? So the definition, according to the definition, I have written one example over here. That is, somebody called him. Now over here, the word somebody is an indefinite pronoun. Why? Because somebody, when I say somebody, I am not knowing the identity of which person I am talking about, who I am talking about. Somebody called him. Now this somebody can be anyone. I don't know who that exact person is, but since I said somebody, it can be anyone. The identity is hidden. Identity is not known to us. Now somebody is one indefinite pronoun. There are other indefinite pronouns which are mentioned over here. That is someone, anybody, nobody. Example sentences. If we make sentences from these words, we will come to know that the identity is hidden. Someone called me yesterday. Now someone can be anyone. Anybody can come to the party. Anybody can come to the party. Now anybody, I am talking about whole. I am talking about any person. Okay? A person can be anyone, but the identity is hidden. Nobody forced him to go to school. Nobody forced him to go to school. Nobody, when I say nobody, meaning the identity is hidden. We don't know who that nobody is. Okay? So this is the definition and these are the examples of indefinite pronouns where we are not specific with the identity, where we don't know the identity of a person or a thing. And now we are going to see the last type, that is relative pronoun. Now the next type of pronoun is relative pronoun. What is a relative pronoun? Now relative simply tells us that it is related to something in a sentence. A word that is related to something. Now what is it related to? Let's see the definition. A relative pronoun refers to a noun mentioned before it. So now the term relative is clear to us. Meaning it has relationship with the noun. Okay? Relative pronoun refers to a noun mentioned before it. Mentioned before it meaning before what? Before the relative pronoun. A relative pronoun refers to a noun mentioned before it. It means relative pronoun over here. Now let's see the example how a relative pronoun is mentioned, how is it used, now and what is its purpose. Now see this example. This is the boy who was scolded yesterday. This is the boy who was scolded yesterday. Now over here in this sentence, the relative pronoun that we have used is who. And when we see the definition, it says the relative pronoun refers to a noun mentioned before it. Now what is the noun mentioned before the relative pronoun? The boy. This is the boy. Boy is a noun. Okay? Boy is a noun. And the relative pronoun that we have used is who, and who refers to a noun mentioned before it. And the definition is clear now because we have known what a relative pronoun is. Relative pronoun refers to a noun mentioned before it. So who is my relative pronoun? And the noun given to us in the sentence is boy. Okay? Who is referring to the noun. Second example. This is the book which I bought. Again, which is a relative pronoun. And which is referring to which noun? What is the noun given to us? The noun given to us in this sentence is book. Okay? Book is a noun and which is a relative pronoun. And what is the purpose of relative pronoun? To refer to a noun mentioned before it. In both the sentences, you can see that the nouns are mentioned just before the relative pronoun. And this is the purpose of a relative pronoun, to relate, to refer to the noun mentioned before it. Who, which, when. That is the time when people sleep. That is the time. Time is a noun. When people sleep. When is referring to the noun mentioned before it. When? Time. Okay? So, the chapter of pronouns and its types is finished. If you have any doubts or confusion, you can ask me on my WhatsApp. Now, please keep on revising whatever I have taught you for the chapter of nouns and pronouns. Okay, the homework will be posted in your WhatsApp today. The video will be also given to you for all the things that I taught. And also prepare for the test. Keep on revising everything that is taught because we will be having a test in the coming week. Thank you.